Moving can be a big task, but with the right approach, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Today, we'll go through 5 easy steps to help you manage your time effectively as you pack and move. Begin by giving yourself plenty of time. Ideally, start planning your move at least 8 weeks in advance. This allows you to tackle the process in small, manageable chunks rather than all at once. Next, create a detailed checklist. Include everything from sorting and packing items to finalizing your moving logistics. Having a list will keep you organized and ensure nothing is overlooked. Take this opportunity to declutter. Sort through your belongings and decide what to keep, donate, or throw away. Less clutter means less to pack, which simplifies your move. Schedule your packing. Dedicate specific times each day or week for packing different areas of your home. This systematic approach prevents last-minute rushes and reduces stress. Finally, tackle one room at a time. This helps you track your progress and gives you small victories throughout the packing process. Start with the rooms you use least often to minimize disruption in your daily life. With these 5 steps, you're ready to manage your packing and moving efficiently. Remember, a well-planned move is a smooth move. And if you need a clean, safe, and secure place to store your belongings, check out Arcos self-storage. Visit us online at www.arcostorage.com to see how we can help keep your items secure during your transition.